Hey, welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today you are joining me in front of a 2026 Harris Cruiser 250. This is an amazing boat for the whole family. It's a great entry-level option here from Harris. This particular boat is very well optioned. Midnight blue metallic with the matte black accent stripe. This is a tri-tune boat with the 325 performance package. We've equipped it with the 150 horsepower four-stroke Outback from Mercury. It's got the bimini top up here with the powered legs and lots of other great features. As we walk inside this boat, come around back here, you see we've got a nice extended deck on this. Stepping up inside the boat here, you're going to have a battery charger on this particular boat, as well as two cup holders on either side on the back here. Ski tow bar here rated for 1,000 pounds of capacity. And we've upfitted this boat with the optional lily pad easy step ladder here with the leash. Makes it really easy to get in and out of the water and great for pets as well. Walking inside the boat, it's in one of the most popular layouts from Harris, the CW layout. That stands for center walkthrough. You're gonna have a really large bench here off to the port side, nice sized bench here as well on starboard. Both are gonna have great storage underneath here with these drain compartments that you see. You got two cup holders as well as a USB charger on both sides of the boat. Here for your passengers, it's a really great place to hang out. Coming further forward here on the front side of this port bench, you're gonna have a flip up backrest that exposes a garbage can in here. To starboard, you got your helm chair. This swivels, slides, and reclines. Just behind that, you're gonna have an additional garbage can location here that you can mirror with the other side. Up at the helm, a couple great features here. We've got a tilt-based steering wheel in combination with that helm chair. You can customize your seating area. New for 2026, we've got Wet Sounds audio as standard on the cruiser line. This boat's been equipped with the Simrad NSX series screen here, which is an awesome feature. Wireless phone charger, controls for all kinds of things like your lights and your power bimini, and then your throttle and shift here for that 150 Outback. A couple more cup holders and all that kind of stuff down there as well. Huge center locker storage on this boat. It's the largest in the industry. Fits the cover, tubes, water skis, all kinds of stuff like that. And then off to the port side, I've got a couple more things I want to show you here. First, this super wide walk-through door. This is ADA compliant, very accessible to get in and out of the boat. Close that up. In addition to that, we're going to have some storage under here. Great place to put your cover, cooler, things like that. Coming up further forward, these forward seating areas here are going to be very similar to the aft section. We've got two cup holders and a USB charger on either side with storage underneath the seats. It's a very deep, comfortable place to hang out. You'll notice you've got thigh support here as well as a nice high backrest. This is an amazing boat for the whole family, rated for 14 people capacity. Awesome, awesome setup here. Come take a look at this Harris Cruiser 250 at our Lake Norman store. We've got several in stock and many more on the way. Thanks for watching.